Hello bachcho, let's see the question. So the question here says that which of the following is logically equivalent to negation negation P tends to Q. So A, P and Q, B, P and not Q, C, not P and Q, not P and not Q. So let's start. इस क्वेश्चन को हम सॉल्व करेंगे विद द हेल्प ऑफ ट्रुथ टेबल. So the key concept for this question is that solve this question with the help of truth table. So let's start. तो given है हमें क्या की negation P negation Q is tends to Q. So let's start. So हम पहले एक ट्रुथ टेबल बनाते हैं. यहाँ पे होगा P, यहाँ पे Q, यहाँ पे P not P tends to Q and not P and Q tends to Q tends to Q. So ये क्या हो जाएगा? First when it is truth, then this will be truth and this become false. So अब हम फिर यहाँ से ट्रूथ लेते हैं, यहाँ पे हो जाएगा एक फॉल्स लेते हैं, तो ये क्या हो जाएगा? ट्रू एंड नॉट bracket not P tends to Q will be now become false. Now take false and true. Now this becomes true and then negation of bracket negation P tends to Q becomes false. So ये क्या हो जाएगा? Now we'll take false and false. Now P and Q both are false. So right then negation P tends to Q becomes false and negation P bracket negation Q tends to Q becomes true. So अब हम एक और ट्रुथ टेबल बनाते हैं. So यहाँ पे लिखेंगे P, यहाँ पे Q, यहाँ पे P and Q, P and negation Q, P negation Q and negation P and negation Q. So let's this Q and this is Q. So when we take true, तो Q भी हम true लेते हैं, तो ये क्या हो जाएगा? P and Q also becomes true. Then P and not Q will become false. Then not P and Q becomes false and not P and not Q becomes false. अब हम यहाँ पे लेते हैं P को हम true लेते हैं, Q को हम false लेते हैं, तो ये क्या हो जाएगा? P and Q हो जाएगा हमारा false. Then P and not Q become false. Then not P and Q becomes also false and not P and not Q also become false. और अब हम लेते हैं P और Q को. P हम लेते हैं इस टाइम false और Q हम लेते हैं true, तो ये क्या हो जाएगा? P and Q also become false. Then P and not Q becomes true. Then not P and Q becomes true and not P and not Q becomes false. अब हम थर्ड फोर्थ लेते हैं. अब हम यहाँ पे P और Q दोनों को false लेते हैं, तो P and Q हमारा हो जाएगा false. P and not Q becomes false. Then P and Q becomes false. Then not P and not Q becomes true. So I can write that. So we see that given relation is logically equivalent to option D, which is what? Not P and not Q. Or we can say that or we can write that since not P tends to Q, we can say that P and not Q. Now let's take not of P tends to Q, which is equal to P and Q. So the correct option for this question is option D. I hope you understood. Thank you. Best of luck.